Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some cookies, and I did such a similar episode back in 2020. You can check that out, and that episode was mainly focusing on how to bake some cookies without an oven. With me here, I have my three ingredients. I have some sugar, some margarine, you can also use butter, and some all-purpose flour. Hii ni unga ya kawaida ya chapati, not self-raising, and we're not going to be adding any baking powder. And then for the extra ingredient that you do not really need, I have some vanilla essence, about quarter teaspoon. And without further ado, let's get started. So today we are making my 3-ingredient cookies, and we only need these 3 ingredients. So I'll start by adding my margarine in my bowl. Then I'm going to beat this till it becomes fluffy. Now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to go in with my sugar, and I'm using only 2 tablespoons, but you can always add more depending on how you like your pastries. Then I'm also going to beat this till the sugar is well dissolved and well incorporated. As usual, remember to scrape the sides and also the bottom so that everything can be well incorporated. Now that this is well mixed, I'll go in with my flour. So today I'm going to be using a parchment paper, but if at all you do not have a parchment paper, you can grease your baking tray with some cooking oil. Then you add some flour, and I'm going to be making some balls. Then I'll show you how you can later do to them in a few. So you just eyeball the sizes. As you've seen, this is such an easy recipe, and my cookies are ready and they've already cooled down. Look at this. I love these cookies because they are very easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients and about 15 or so minutes, and also they are crunchy and also delicious. I hope you get to give this a try. You can see they are well done, and you know they are done once they start turning brown at the edge. That's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.